Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, to all my subscribers. In today's video, I'm just doing a walkthrough of those who didn't see my previous walkthrough. So this is basically the drywall guys who have finished the drywall. As you can see how it looks with the drywall finish, with all my pot lights and everything being straight and neat. Everything's lined up. As you can see, I have a set of pot lights here. There's 2 pot lights currently on this edge here, and there's 4 pot lights in total, with another 2 here with my smoke detector and 1 center light there, along with my outlets to code. There is an outlet behind this these drywalls, and that's basically my switch. And this is my data and my TV outlet here, along with my outlet for the gas. Sorry, not the gas, the regular fireplace that's controlled by electrical. This is the walk-in area here we have with the 2 pot lights here. And this is the washroom here, along with the GFI LED mirror and thermostat. This is for the floor heating, for the heated floors. Obviously these guys, they've covered my pipe there, so I have to straighten that out. And if we go into the other room here, this is another bedroom with the pot lights in here. As you can see, there's 2 pot lights here. That area is going to be a closet, so I'll center that pot light with the closet. And this is basically my smoke, and 1 more light here, 1 center light. And here we're gonna have my TV and my data, along with another fireplace, along with my outlets equally on every wall of the bedroom. And as you can see, I've followed the code rule here. Once this door opens up, I have to have a plug within a certain distance of the end of my wall. And this is basically the other washroom here. And that light is going to be a shower pot light by code. This is 4 pot lights in total. And then here, there's 1 GFI there. So again, that's it for today's short video. Again, you can please like, share, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date to the content. Turn the notification to all. You can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video.